our sandwich panini press. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 16.5 inches, a depth of 14.25 inches, in overall height. We have 8.5 inches in height. Okay, so the top, after you flip the cover, will be your bottom and top presses. Each press plate are grooved, with the bottom plate measuring 14 inches in length by 9 inches in depth. The top groove plate measuring 13.25 inches in length, 8.75 inches in depth. Coming to the center will be the waist tray. Waist tray will measure 14.25 inches in length, 2.25 inches in depth, by 1.5 inches in height. Waist tray can be removed, positioned right back into the slot. Coming to the center will be the power switch along with the heat indicator and the temperature gauge. Coming to the back will be the 110-120 voltage along with the CE certification sticker.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this part.